What's the meaning of bunting? Bunting. Bunting.
Bunting. Bunting. Bunting has multiple meanings, but most commonly refers to a type of festive decoration made of flags or pennants strung together. The word can also refer to a type of small songbird found across North America and Europe. In the context of baseball, bunting refers to a technique used by a batter to softly tap the ball, usually to advance a runner on base. Regardless of its specific meaning, bunting is often associated with cheerful, colorful displays or small, delicate actions that require skill and precision.